Welcome back, design lovers! In today's video, we're diving into fresh and stylish new IKEA arrivals. From playful designer pieces to cozy textiles and smart storage, these finds are perfect for giving your home a 2025 refresh. Let's check them out. 1. Vinterfint vase, pink designed by Gustaf Westman. This vase combines a soft rounded glass body with a delicate pink spiral frame. Eye-catching on its own, it looks even better with lilies or long-stemmed flowers that highlight its elegant proportions. 2. Vinterfint candlestick, light blue. These bold, chubby candlesticks by Gustaf Westman bring playful charm to any table. Their sturdy, flared legs keep them stable, while the vibrant color ensures they stand out both with or without a candle. 3. Hauga storage combination, white. With both open shelves and closed doors, this versatile unit balances display and hidden storage. The traditional detailing adds character, while adjustable hinges and safety fittings ensure it's practical and family-friendly. 4. Regnskur/havsdjup pendant lamp, turquoise. This oval textile pendant lamp spreads a cozy, diffused light with a soft turquoise shade. The cord is adjustable for perfect height, and the fabric shade can even be machine washed for easy care. 5. Vinterfint cup and saucer, pink, a playful design by Gustaf Westman. This tiny cup sits on an oversized saucer, sparking conversation at any table. Perfect for espresso or mulled wine, the durable dishwasher-safe set makes everyday moments special. 6. Blåljus rug, hand-woven check made of wool and jute. This flat-woven rug combines rustic charm with a playful check pattern in natural tones. Hand-woven by skilled artisans, it's durable, stylish, and easy to vacuum under dining chairs. 7. Betthaj tin with lid, pale blue. This large pastel tin, 3.3 quarts, is perfect for flour, oats, pasta, or cookies. The grooved finish adds texture and grip, while the tin plate material preserves flavor by blocking out light. Stackable and decorative. 8. Praktand tealight holder, stainless steel, shaped like unfolding petals. This stainless steel tealight holder adds timeless elegance. The mix of shiny and matte finishes reflects candlelight beautifully, creating a graceful centerpiece for dining tables or living rooms. 9. Betthaj tin with lid, pale yellow and blue. Ideal for cookies, sweets, or baked goods, this pastel tin, 2.6 quarts, is as practical as it is decorative. The tin plate design is lightweight yet durable, with grooves for grip and stackable convenience. Torntuss duvet cover and pillowcase, dark blue made of 100% brushed cotton flannel. This cozy bedding set feels like a warm hug on cold nights. The blue check pattern adds charm, while the fabric grows softer with every wash. Svartabborre baking sheet rack. This foldable rack keeps baking trays organized, safe, and easy to handle. Perfect for cooling cookies or prepping sheets for the oven. It saves counter space and folds flat for storage. Flikbrunört throw, yellow/gray check lightweight and soft. This recycled polyester throw has playful fringes and handwoven look. Easy to fold and carry. It adds warmth to your sofa or bed while promoting sustainable living. 13. Betthaj tin with lid, silver color. This compact tin, 19 ounces, is ideal for coffee, tea, or spices. The silver finish is sleek and modern, while the tin plate keeps aromas intact. Durable, stackable, and great for open shelf display. 14. Stråla LED decorative table lamp, pink, playful, and versatile. This LED lamp designed by Gustaf Westman can stand upright or lie flat. Battery-operated with USB-C charging, it offers 2 dimming levels and long-lasting energy efficiency. 15. Kinasho trash can with lid, green, made from over 50% recycled plastic. This small bin can be wall-mounted with adhesive or placed freestanding. Rounded corners and a removable lid make it easy to clean and practical for daily use. 16. Netneva cushion cover. Beige, soft, and fluffy like faux fur, this recycled polyester cushion cover adds warmth to your sofa. Machine washable with a hidden zipper. It's cozy, sustainable, and simple to maintain. 17. Long Yardfly ceiling clips, multicolor. This set of 6 ceiling clips keeps food bags fresh, while doubling as fridge magnets for recipes, lists, or photos. With different sizes and bright colors, they're a cheerful kitchen essential. 18. Borsttag bedspread, gray check. This light gray fleece bedspread adds warmth as an extra layer on chilly nights. The soft, heat-retaining fabric is cozy and stylish, with its subtle check pattern, perfect for bedrooms year-round. 'And that's our tour of new IKEA arrivals. From designer touches to everyday essentials, these pieces prove style and practicality go hand in hand. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more IKEA finds.